Hello traders, I'm back. This is going to get uploaded. I've got a new mobile and it is connecting to the laptop, so I've got a hotspot, and INET is still letting the team down with the NBN. It's still not working yet, so they quoted 50 megs a second. We are getting zero and zero. A bit of lag there with that, so hopefully everything's working. Alright, so in regards to the charts as well, it's been pretty bad, to be honest, trading wise. I mean, I haven't lost any money, but it's been pretty dull, and this is my full-time trading week as well. So it always seems to happen like this, where things will slow down, and it really forces me to, be, disciplined. It's easier when you're working to not, scan the charts as much. But definitely it's been a little more interesting. I'm just trying to find the Euro CAD here. Euro CAD again. It's not really a talking point, but it's something that I found on my mobile. It's being difficult, isn't it? In the lounge room. It's week off. We'll close that down. It's the dog might bark. Hopefully not. Yeah. So I just want to, it was interesting. I got stopped out on New Zealand dollar here. I sold it. I haven't taken a screenshot of this particular screen here and marked it, but I sold at about. Actually, let's bring up the history. Let's bring up the history here. I'm gonna get my head out of the way. Get the pizza on the way as well, so we'll see when that's work out. Okay, so here it is. I sold at 67.90. So on the 27th. So let's actually just do this for my records. It's really like laggy, ugly right now. Let's come on now. Yeah, the 27th of June. So it would have been maybe here. Was it there? I'm gonna call it there. And then stop would have been. I think the stop. What was the stop at originally? It was 60. It was like 68.70. So it was up here. This was relative to the 55-day moving average SMA. Collapsed pretty nicely and then had a big bounce. Well, not a big, but I mean had a significant enough bounce that took me out. So I made about 0.5%, as you can see. So I actually at one point it was over 2%, but I'm not going to move the stop more than what I normally do with testing. So I did actually move it a little bit more past break even, but nothing significant there. So that's the wrap on that on the New Zealand dollar trade. Because I haven't actually uploaded a video, a chart analysis video since Sunday. Because my previous mobile, the hotspot wasn't connecting to the laptop, so it was a little bit frustrating. USD yen. I discussed this as well earlier on the weekend. Nothing again. With the Trump set that deadline for tomorrow on the tariff announcement, so we'll see what happens there, and that's reflected in the markets here as well. There's not really a lot to play with, unfortunately. So Euro US dollar. Connor and I, we will be doing trade talk. Pippin ain't easy. Episode 71 later tonight as well. We're going to touch upon just a general discussion on brokers and trading education and things to look out for when you're beginning as well. It won't go into a lot of detail, but we'll certainly touch upon that. So, and the Euro US dollar. This might have been when I sold it as well. Yeah, I sold it. Sold it here, bounce, collapsed pretty nicely. That was a nice little trade actually. Then ended about 2.5%, 3%. Yeah, look, the Euro US dollar, it's again, it's a bit of a no-go. So when things like this, guys, I've just been immersing myself in education and backtesting, and I've done a couple of backtests as well, and a couple of solid sessions. I'm going to upload those as well. Tonight, I'm on 20 gigs a month with this package, so I got the Samsung S9. So we'll see. It's like $100 a month. But look, I mean, I'm using a lot of data. Like, I'm scanning charts when I'm not home, things like that. I've got to have, the data ready available. And you don't want to have a little and then get charged like $10 plus each gig. It's just, that's frustrating. So Anyway, guys, thanks to you for watching, and I'll upload this straight away. No trades. It's it's just going to be one of those things where you just do a bit of back testing and you just watch, but nothing significant here opportunity wise. Bye for now, guys.